which would probably be the most useful, is the phrasal verb to hang around. Now, you might be familiar with the phrasal verb to hang out, which is a way of talking about socializing. You hang out with your friends. That means you go somewhere with your friends and you socialize with them. Hanging around is a little bit different. Hanging around is when you stay somewhere and you have no purpose, you have nothing to do there. When you hang around, you're staying in the place even though you have no reason to be there. Let's make a sentence using hang around, and let's practice using this phrasal verb for a minute. Oh, but let me put it up here too. Let's see, where is it? Hang around. So that's our first phrasal verb for today. Here's a situation. John is very bored on the weekends. He has nothing to do. So he goes to the shopping mall. He doesn't plan to buy anything. He just likes to walk in and look at the different things, look at the stores. He likes to waste his time, several hours, just being at the mall. So we can say all of that by using the phrasal verb hang around. He hangs around at the mall. Then we understand he's just there. He has no purpose, no point. He's just there wasting time. So here's our sentence. He hangs around at the mall. Let's make a when question with that sentence. He hangs around at the mall. How will you make a when question? When? When does he? When does he? When does he? When does he hang around? When does he hang around? When does he hang around at the mall? When does he hang around at the mall? Okay, let's answer on the weekends. He hangs around. He hangs around at the mall. He hangs around at the mall on the weekends. Now let's make a why question. Why? Why does he? Why does he? Why does he? Why does he hang around? Why does he hang around? Why does he hang around? Why does he hang around at the mall on weekends? Why does he hang around at the mall on weekends? Here is the reason. He has nothing else to do. He has nothing else to do. He hangs around. He hangs around at the mall. He hangs around at the mall on the weekends because he has nothing else to do. He hangs around at the mall on the weekends because he's nothing else to do. Okay, let's try another situation. At night, Lisa goes to a popular bar where there are many young people like herself. She doesn't go for any particular reason. She's just bored, although maybe she hopes that she can find a boyfriend. How can we say that Lucy goes to a popular bar, but for no special reason? She doesn't plan to do anything there. Maybe something will happen, but that's not part of her plan. She hangs around. She hangs around the popular bar. She hangs around the popular bar. Let's make a when question. When? When does she? When does she? When does she hang around? When does she hang around the popular bar? And the answer is at night. She hangs around the bar at night. Let's make a why question. That sounds like a bad idea, hanging around a bar at night. Okay, well, let's make a why question anyway. Why? Why does she? Why does she? Why does she hang around? Why does she hang around the bar at night? Why does she hang around the bar at night? And the reason is she hopes to find a boyfriend. Bad idea. She hangs around the bar. She hangs around the bar at night. She hangs around the bar at night because she hopes to meet a boyfriend. She hopes to find a boyfriend. Okay. Now the difference between saying she goes to the bar at night because she hopes to find a boyfriend and she hangs around the bar at night because she hopes to find a boyfriend is if you say she goes, it sounds like she really has the intention. She's looking for a boyfriend. But if you say she hangs around, it sounds more like she doesn't care, but maybe it will happen, and that would be great. And that's the difference between saying she goes and she hangs around in this situation. Okay, let's continue reading the next few paragraphs. But let me take off hang around before I forget. Okay. As he entered, the bell clanged his arrival. The merchant looked up and said, "Good day, sir," cheerfully. "What can I do for you?" Now, we won't spend much time with this word clang, but clang is a verb, and it is the sound of two metal things hitting each other. So it's the sound of metal. It's the sound that metallic things make when they hit each other. So the bell clanged when you go into the old shop and you open the door. Sometimes there's a bell above the door, ding ding, and so that's a clang sound. That's two metal things hitting each other, making a sound. Okay, where did we stop?